Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. I have all the time in the world to watch for a movie tonight. Oh my gosh. Time permits me. I'm gonna watch Sinners. Hi. How are you? I already uploaded our video last week, I think. Please search me on YouTube Hendrix A8. Can I write it down? Before we proceed guys and gals, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Borda, Christine, my sister, and to Helen Carreto, San Roque, Legazpi City, my childhood friend. Okay, hanap mo na lang yun ha. Sinners.
Sinners for 8:45.
Yeah. I love it. Oh gosh.
Bunuan mo yung I love it.
Anyway, it's okay. No, I don't want to sit with somebody. Wait. I think this one na lang. Oh. Since this our second time to meet up, can I have the discount?
For 6, sir? K6, right?
Oh.
308.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Wish granted. Hold on. Before she changed her mind. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Guys, hold on.
We have also free pack for you, sir.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my gosh. This is a very pleasant surprise.
You know po.
It's okay. It means to say that you're such a talented one. Bright girl. How much?
308 lang, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. And to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my Facebook viewers also, hi. And to all my 11 lovely countries, Philippines, of course, on the number one spot, United States. I can't really believe, I'm very much glad. India, Canada, Indonesia, Iraq, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, United Arab Emirates, and China. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And free pack,
Yeah.
sir.
Your day again.
Thank you. Please.
Hi, Grace. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. I'm very glad. I just don't really know. I just couldn't really believe that she's gonna give me discount. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna claim the popcorn. I'm gonna watch Sinners since that time is running. I need to catch it up, and I couldn't make some little reviews for this. Popcorn? Doon? Dito ba kiniklaim?
Wala. Pag cinema 18.
Oh my gosh. Bye for now. I'm being rattled. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Bye. Hold on. Cinema 15. Go. Bye for now, okay? Bye. Hold on. Thank you. I didn't expect that she's gonna give me this gun. Oh my gosh. Starting na ba? Not yet. Minutes. A trailer. Bye for now. Bye. Let's go. We're here now inside. Bye.